as in the previous class, I observed that some of you were doing mistakes in pronunciation for some of the words. Okay, now everybody, I am going to write those words on the board. Okay, I think there is no need to write those words on the board. I am speaking, and with me you all can also speak. Is it clear, everybody? Okay.
Yes, sir.
First of all, the word was people. I observed that some of you were speaking pupil. It is not pupil, it is people. What is this, Karina?
People.
It is not people, it's people.
People.
Have you seen the tree of people?
People.
Okay, yes, it is the same.
People.
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 Absolutely right. It is people. Now, some of you were speaking. Some of you were speaking instruction. By the way, it is not instruction. It is instruction. What is the word, Neelu?
Sir, it is instruction.
Yes, it is instruction.
Yes. Now you are correct, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, Neelu. This time we can listen to Kusum. Kusum, now this time you can speak. Some of you were speaking yesterday English. It is not English, it is English. Can you please speak?
English.
Yes, it is English. Sha sound will be there. Can we all speak together, everybody?
English. English.
Okay, I will be speaking 1, 2, 3. After that, you can speak. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
English. English.
Okay, not English. It is English.
English.
Okay, yes, Gitanjali, please speak.
Sir, it is English.
It is English. Very nice, everybody. We all can clap for everyone. Okay, now, everybody, what are we going to do? Now, everybody, you all are going to look 2 plates of food. Okay, for looking that, you all are going to open your SRB part A1. As you know, it is your lesson 62. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes,
You-
sir. Yes,
you-
sir.
Yes, you all are just going to look that image. Please open that. Okay. Have you all looked that image, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now, first of all, we can listen to you. You can share what did you see in that image.
Sir, in this image there are 2 plates of food.
Okay, yes,
One is a healthy food plate
yes.
and the second is junk food.
Okay,
In the healthy food plate there are lots of vegetables and fruits. However, in the junk food plate it is chips and burgers and sweets. So it is unhealthy.
absolutely right. Fantastic answer. This time we can listen to Tamanna. Tamanna, you can share that what did you think after looking that image?
Sir, in the first image, I can see there are healthy food, and the
Yes.
second plate there are junk food. So I would love to take healthy food for my health,
Yes,
and I would like to avoid junk food.
okay. Okay, you thought that you should avoid junk food and you should eat healthy food, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now this time we can listen to Mac. Mac, you can share that what do you wonder about?
Sir, I was thinking about it is such a huge plate of healthy food.
Yes.
So we can make juice with fruits.
Absolutely right.
With vegetables we can make sabzi
Absolutely right.
and fried rice. But however, the unhealthy food, it will make us obese and we might get diseases related to stomach
Absolutely right.
and we can also fall ill.
Okay. Yes, absolutely right. Delighted answer. So this time everybody, we can listen to Chitra. Chitra, you can share that which type of food should we take or should we eat?
Sir, we should take healthy food like fruits, peanuts,
Okay,
and green veggies.
okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. This type of food we should take. Is there anybody whose answer is different? Okay, yes. This time we can listen to Mahi. Mahi, you can answer.
Sir, I like junk food more.
Yes, you like junk food.
Yes.
Why do you think that you like junk food?
Sir, the taste of junk food is very good.
Okay.
And I feel satisfied after eating junk food.
Okay, great. It happens, not great. Okay, so it happens that most of us we like junk food also. But do you think that if we are eating junk food every day, is it healthy for our health?
No, sir.
No? Then what do you think that for how many days, after how many days we should eat junk food?
Sir, I think if we eat junk food once in a month,
Yes?
it is good for our health because we are only eating for taste. So
Yes.
it will not harm us.
Absolutely right. If you are eating continuously, then the taste will also not come.
Yes.
You will be bored with that. Is it
Yes, sir.
everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fantastic. Now everybody, what you all are going to do in your SRB part A2, as you have done part A1, this time A.2. In this part everybody, there are given some of the foods. Now there are some images and healthy habits and unhealthy habits are given there. Now you all are going to discuss with your peer that which one is healthy habit and which one is unhealthy habit. Is it clear everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we can listen to Karishma. Karishma, you can share what are you going to do? You can share what are you going to do?
Sir, in our SRB part A2, there
Yes.
are some images given.
Yes.
And in those images, there are habits. So I have to discuss with Suman that which habit is healthy and which habit is unhealthy.
Absolutely right. Fantastic answer. Okay, have you all understood everybody?
Yes, sir.
Then please look those images.
Yes, sir.
Okay everybody, now as you all have discussed part A1, now you all are going to discuss part A2. In the part A2 everybody, there are given some of the images. In those images, you all are going to discuss with your peer that which one is showing healthy habit and which one is showing unhealthy habit. Okay, and in the A2 part, there is given instruction also. There are given instruction also. Okay, you all have to go through that. Is it clear everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we can listen to Karishma. Karishma, you can share what are you going to do?
Sir, in part A2 of our SRB, there are some
Yes.
images given
Yes?
in which habits are written,
Yes.
shown. So we have to discuss with our partner
Yes?
that why is this habit healthy or
Yes.
why is this habit unhealthy.
Absolutely right. And please read the instruction also. In the instruction, it is given there. You have to discuss that why. As Karishma shared that why this habit is unhealthy and why this habit is healthy. You have to discuss that. This.
Yes.
Is it clear everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now please discuss with your peers. Okay, this time everybody, we can listen to Pinky. Pinky, you can share. What is the first image?
In the first image, sir, there is a woman who is running.
Okay.
So I believe that this habit is healthy because it will keep her fit and very active.
Okay, okay, great. And what did you share? What is there in the image?
Woman running.
Woman is running. Absolutely right. If the woman is running, then of course that woman will be fit. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. what is there in the next image? Now you can share.
Sir, in the next image, it is showing two mugs of alcohol.
Okay.
So I think this is an unhealthy habit because it will hamper with our liver,
Yes.
and we will also नशे को बोलते हैं? हाँ, we might also become addicts
Yes.
of alcohol.
Yes,
So
yes.
this is a very unhealthy habit.
Absolutely right, everybody. Mahima, you can share. You can share that when sleeping can be unhealthy for us.
Sir, I think sleeping is very important.
Yes.
But if we sleep too little,
Yes.
then we will always feel sleepy in the day
Absolutely right.
and we will not be active.
Absolutely
Same
right.
is the case when we sleep too much.
Yes.
Then our head starts aching
Absolutely right.
and we have pain in our eyes and we don't feel active throughout the day.
Absolutely right.
So I think we should sleep 8 hours a day. Sleeping more or less than that can be considered unhealthy.
Absolutely right, everybody. Absolutely right, Mahima. Now, yes, everybody, as she shared that sleeping a lot is also unhealthy habit and sleeping less is also unhealthy habit. We should try to take proper sleep. Is it clear, everybody? Okay, now everyone, I would like to ask one more question. This time we can listen to Saloni. Saloni, can you please share that how can we make a burger healthy?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, sir, we can, for the patty of the burger,
Yes.
we can use a lot of vegetables
Okay,
and we can fry them in very little oil on a non-stick pan.
okay,
For the bread, we can toast the bread with very little amount of ghee, and we can use for the filling, we can use fresh vegetables
absolutely.
like onion, tomato, capsicum, cucumbers and cabbage.
Great. Okay.
So this will be a healthy burger.
Absolutely right. Fantastic answer, by the way. Okay, great. Now, have you all understood, everybody, how can we make some of the foods healthy which we eat as like junk food?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now, everybody, what you people are going to do, you all are going. So, everybody, now you all are going to see a balanced diet for men and women. Okay, for that, everybody, you all are going to open SRB part B. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now please look that. Okay. Now have you all looked at, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Great. Now what is your understanding? This time Beena is going to share. Yes, Beena, you can share that. What is your understanding by the help of that?
Sir, this is a balanced diet chart for men and women
Okay.
for their lunch and dinner. So, I think if we eat according to this chart,
Yes.
we can easily be healthy without paying too much attention to our health. If we are just eating a balanced meal, we
Yes.
don't have to think too much about what we are eating or when we are eating, or
Yes.
if we are getting enough calories or protein. We just have to maintain a general and good diet.
Absolutely right. Fantastic answer. Is there anybody else who would like to add something?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Now you can share.
Sir, I have seen that for men and women, the dietary needs are different.
Okay.
Women require less amount of food than
Yes.
men because of the body that they have.
Okay.
The body of the men are built different. They are bigger in size. So according to our body, we
Yes.
are going to eat. If we have a smaller body, then we don't require a lot of food.
Yes.
However, if we have lots of muscles and we
Yes.
are very tall and very big,
Yes.
so we will require more food.
Absolutely right. Okay, now everybody, by the way, fantastic answer. Now everybody, as we are talking about a healthy diet, in healthy diet, we can say that it depends on nutrients and it depends on that how much you are working mentally or physically, and it depends on the condition of weather also, availability of food and quantity. Everybody, these things matters a lot for a good diet. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, everybody, as we have discussed about healthy diet also, now what you people are going to do, you people are going to take a small interview of your peer. To whom are you going to take interview, everybody?
Of our pair.
Absolutely right, of your peer. For interview you are going to take interview for okay, everybody, I have written 3 topics here: breakfast, lunch, dinner. You all are going to ask a question to your peer. The question is that what is in your plate? Okay, the second pair can imagine that in his or her plate there are some foods. Okay, you can imagine anytime. It can be breakfast, it can be lunch, or it can be dinner. Whatever you want, you can do. Means 2 people will be together. One will be asking to the next person that what is there in your plate. Then the next person will be giving answer. Okay, and that time you have to share, you have to know this also, whether it is healthy or whether it is unhealthy. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Great. Now everybody, you all can start your interview.